AI is totally rewriting the SEO playbook. So in this explainer, we're going to break down exactly how it all works, what Google is really looking for, and, most importantly, how you can use it to get a massive leg up on the competition.
Okay, let's be real. If you're anywhere near the world of content or marketing, you've probably asked yourself this, right? It feels like you're constantly trying to keep up with algorithm changes, what your competitors are doing. It's a battle, for sure.
Well, what if you had a secret weapon? See, the answer to all that chaos isn't about working harder. It's about working smarter. And that, my friends, is exactly where AI comes in.
So let's talk about the AI advantage. And I want to be super clear here. This is not just another buzzword. This is a fundamental shift in how search actually works. And if you know how to use it, it can be your secret weapon.
Okay, so what is AI SEO, really? When you boil it all down, it's just about using these smart AI tools and techniques to help your website rank better. Simple as that.
And this isn't some fuzzy, abstract idea. We're talking about real, concrete stuff. Like AI can totally supercharge your keyword research. It can help you optimize content in literally minutes, help you out with link building. It can even run technical audits on your website. Game changer.
Just look at the difference here. The old way of doing SEO, it was manual, it was slow, and honestly, a lot of it was just guesswork. But with AI SEO, now we're talking fast, automated, and totally data-driven. The level of accuracy you can get is, well, it's a whole new ballgame.
Okay, this is where it gets really interesting. And this is the key. To win at SEO today, you have to understand that you're not just up against some simple algorithm anymore. You're dealing with Google's own incredibly smart AI. So, you got to fight fire with fire, or in this case, fight AI with AI.
First, there's something called RankBrain. Think of this as Google's AI for watching user behavior. It's always learning, paying attention to what people click on, how long they stick around on a page, and basically if they found what they were looking for.
Then you've got these heavy hitters like BERT and Gemini. Their whole job is to understand context, natural language. They're trying to figure out the meaning behind what you search for, not just the specific words you typed in. And you absolutely need to know about this one, SpamBrain. This is Google's AI cop, and it's designed to sniff out any funny business. It's on the hunt for spammy backlinks and, yep, you guessed it, low-quality, unhelpful AI-generated content. This is exactly why you have to use AI the right way.
All right, so we know Google has its AI. How do we use our AI to work with it safely and effectively? Let's dive into the playbook.
Okay, let's start at the beginning. Keyword research. This is the bedrock of any solid SEO strategy, right? And honestly, AI turns it from a total grind into this amazing source of insight.
Check this out. This is where the magic happens. Instead of just guessing at keywords, you can give the AI a super specific prompt like this. And boom, you get tons of long-tail keywords, all sorted out for you by search intent, difficulty, even put into nice little topic clusters. This is an absolute goldmine.
Now, when it comes to creating content, this workflow is everything. Do you see the pattern here? The AI is the assistant, but the human, that's you, is the editor, the strategist, the one who gives the final thumbs up. And that step 3, adding unique value, that's the most important part. That's where your expertise, your experience comes in.
What if you already have a bunch of articles? Even better, you can just feed one to an AI with the prompt, just like this one. It'll spit back suggestions for better headlines, meta descriptions, and it'll even find those clever internal linking opportunities you might have overlooked.
And it's not just for content. AI can even help with the really tedious parts of SEO, like link building. Writing all those outreach emails, you can use a prompt to whip up a personalized, effective template in seconds. Perfect for something like broken link building, which is a classic, super effective tactic.
Okay, but you know the saying, with great power comes great responsibility. And that is so true here. If you use AI the wrong way, you can actually hurt your SEO more than you help it. So let's talk about the big mistakes you have to avoid.
All right, these are the big ones. Number 1, do not just copy-paste and publish raw AI content. Ever. Number 2, you can't ignore what Google calls EEAT. That's your human experience, expertise, authoritativeness, and trust. And finally, don't just set AI on autopilot and walk away. The whole point is to have AI help you, not replace you.
Okay, so we've covered what AI SEO is, why it's so important, and what not to do. So, where do you start? Let's break it down with a simple, action-ready checklist you can use today.
First up, put AI to work on your keyword research and finding those topic clusters. Next, use that safe, human-in-the-loop workflow for your content, and always add your own unique stuff, visuals, data, your personal insights. And just remember the golden rule. You're the strategist, AI is the tool. That human oversight is non-negotiable.
So, I'm just going to leave you with this one last question. AI in SEO. This isn't some sci-fi thing that's coming someday. It's here. It's happening right now. So the question really isn't if you should start using it, it's whether your competition already is.